I start with wire from Home Depot, or you can use a coat hanger. I believe it's 14 gauge wire. Measure around your head and cut to size. I always wrap my wire projects with floral tape as a preference, but it will be covered in florals and ribbons, so that might not be necessary. Bend the ends to make loops, and then start wrapping the wire with your florals. I use beading wire, which you can get from beading stores or craft stores, and florals also from craft stores or even the dollar store. I move them towards the center, and then when I'm halfway through, I flip them so they're still moving towards the center. Then, since they're just wrapped with wire, you can adjust them to make it more even. Then you can actually glue the ribbon down to make it more secure and cover up the wire so it's not poking your head. I use E6000 glue, but it doesn't dry as quick, so I use a hair clip to keep it in place, or you can use a hot glue gun, which dries faster. And glue as you go along so it is secure. When you're done, you might have to untwist your work since we were going in a twisting motion with the ribbon. Then take some more ribbon, fold it in half, and pull a loop through those loops we did before, and pull the length of the ribbon through, and pull tight. And then you have yourself a flower crown that you can wear to go frolic in the woods, wear to a wedding, or just be a fairy princess. Have fun!